How to make your MetaHuman much more realistic with this one simple trick. Alright, we are now inside Unreal Engine and I created a little scene as an example. We're gonna go straight to the movie render queue and you will see that we just gonna render it out as a PNG, and that's basically it. There's no magic right here because the magic happens right here in our post-production, and for me it is Premiere Pro. And now we will create a new item. We're gonna create an adjustment layer. Make sure the settings are fitting for the video that you rendered. Hit OK, drag and drop the adjustment layer on top of your video. And from here on, we will search for sharp. And then we will drag and drop the sharpen effect onto our adjustment layer. Head to effect controls and use a value of maybe 20. And now we're going to use the unsharp mask, drop it as well onto our adjustment layer and use maybe like something like 60. And now for the radius, you can experiment as much as you want. But here is the thing. If I type in something like 10, there is a tremendous difference in the clarity of our footage. You can even go something like 20. Now, if this looks too much for you, just lower the value, but experiment with it as much as you want. But this is just a phenomenal way to bring out the best out of your MetaHuman. And if you are wondering where you get these extremely well done textures for your MetaHuman, you have to simply go to the website called 3dscanstore.com and then head to the free section to the MetaHuman identity. And from there on, I have a full tutorial on how you can get this exact MetaHuman I have right here with this high realistic textures. That's it from my side. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and a comment, maybe even subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video.